everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Uyimart, okay? So guys, in today's video I have this lovely topic for you, and the topic is actually on how to increase your bust and your butt as well. So if you are currently looking for ways on how to increase some part of your body, today I have this normal and natural alternatives that you're gonna use to increase that part of your body that you've been craving to look like whether Jennifer Lopez or every other celebrities that are keeping fit. Today I'm gonna be using just a natural recipe to show you how to increase your bust and your butt in few weeks. So before further ado, the properties I'm gonna be using, this property is gonna help to contributes to the development of muscle mass and as well increase the adipose tissue. That's in accumulation of adipose tissue. So the first ingredient I'll be using today is fenugreek, and I'll go ahead to add other ingredients like a carrot. I'm gonna add my cola, bitter cola, and cola that I have as well. So let's get right into this video. Then for the sake of those that are just stopping by for the first time, please, if today is your first time, consider subscribing to my channel, and as well turn on the post notification bell to be notified on other videos I'm creating. Don't forget to share this video with your friends out there on how to increase their bust and their butt as well. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up after seeing this. Let's get right into the video. So guys, what we'll be needing today, as I said, if you are looking for natural alternatives that can help to visibly increase the size of your bust and your buttocks, you can supplement your diet and usual exercise routine with the application of this homemade cream, okay? And these creams are made with products which contain feminine properties. All these products they contain feminine properties, okay, and these properties contribute to the development of muscle mass, as I said earlier, and accumulation of adipose tissue. So this cream also helps in aiding skin sagging, okay. It also helps in preventing skin sagging and keep the area firmer for a longer period of time. So I'll be using, what we'll be needing is our fenugreek. And this fenugreek, you all know that is a medicinal plant that contains estrogen saponins, which promote muscle development and increases breast and buttocks volume. So this fenugreek is popularly consumed as an infusion, however can be made into a homemade cream, and that is the cream that we'll be using or making this hour now, okay. So I'm gonna prepare this fenugreek and add other ingredients like cola. This cola also helps in development of muscle mass, and bitter cola as well helps in development of muscle mass. Why I'm adding this carrot is just for that part of your skin. It exfoliates dead skin cells as well, and it's gonna help to firm that part of your skin, that is your bust and your buttocks. So the first thing I'll be needing is my empty bowl, and here is my empty bowl, empty neat dried bowl. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is, here is my empty neat bowl, and here is my teaspoon. So I'm with my gloves. Why I'm with my gloves is in case anything, I don't just want this cream that I'm about making to be contaminated. That's why I just use gloves, so everywhere will be neat and safe. So this is my fenugreek. Why I choose going for fenugreek powder is fenugreek powder is the easiest form that you can get of fenugreek itself. And if you don't have the powder, or if you are this type that have seen fenugreek but it's just the seed, then you can go ahead and soak the seed of fenugreek overnight. Then the following day you can dry it and as well grind it to powdery form like this. So this powdery form is the best way. This is what I'm gonna be doing. The first thing is just to get full tablespoon of my fenugreek powder. Here is it. So I'm gonna be adding it now to my empty bowl. Then the second thing I'll be needing is my bitter cola, okay. Then here is the bitter cola. All these are properties that help in firming part of your body. So I don't really have English creator. This is who I am. I have this local creator, so I'll be using this local creator to create my bitter cola, okay. This bitter cola, as I said earlier, it contains its own firming properties. That's why it's recommended for this homemade cream. which is gonna help to increase your bust, and it's gonna help to increase, this is collar, it's gonna help to increase your bust, it's gonna help to increase your buttocks too, those parts that you really want to increase. This is gonna help to increase those area and that part of your body. Okay, then I'll go ahead and get part of it. I'll keep creating it. This is a full collar that I'm just creating. I'll go ahead and create it till I'm done creating this particular collar. Okay, this is the collar. Then the next thing I'll be creating is my bitter collar. So this bitter collar, what I needed was just, I needed to, what you do is you can get bitter collar and peel the part of the bitter collar out. Then if you don't have bitter collar, you can use marker powder in place of this bitter collar. So this is it. So I'll go ahead and create my bitter collar still inside the same bowl. Here is it. Go ahead and create the bitter collar still inside the same bowl where my fenugreek and my collar is. Okay, so I'll go ahead and create everything inside the same bowl. I'm sure you've seen what I'm doing. All these properties I'm using, these natural ingredients I'm using, they have properties, they help in firming parts of your body and also help in preventing skin sagging. So if you can prepare this homemade cream, this is gonna help a whole lot. This is gonna work a whole lot because it's gonna help to reduce parts of your skin that have started sagging. Okay, then the next thing that I'll be creating, that's the last, okay, but not the least, is our carrot. So this carrot, I said, it's gonna help to exfoliate some parts of the skin. Okay, this carrot is gonna help to exfoliate part of your skin that has been ringed and part of the skin that is almost sagged. You know, such part of skin that contains this adipose tissue, it can sag easily. So that's why I use carrots. This is gonna help to exfoliate some parts of the skin that are trying to sag. Okay, and I'll go ahead and create the carrot. The carrot, I just need small part of it. I don't really need much of the carrot because the carrot works on its own too. Okay, so this is it. So now that I'm done creating the 4 ingredients, because the first thing I added was our fenugreek powder, and the second was the bitter collar, the collar itself, then the third was the bitter collar, then the last was our carrot. Okay, so now that I'm done creating everything, what we need is just this water. We don't need oil, we don't need anything, just water. And the water is just this is not half, I'll say this is just quarter of a glass. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding this inside the ingredients, just a little, then I'll stir it thoroughly well because I just need it to be paste like in nature. Okay, so this is how it's gonna come out. If you have blender, you can go ahead and blend it with blender, but why I use grater is I just want this paste like nature to be more paste like. Okay, so this is the 4 ingredients. This ingredients gonna help in increasing your bust line. It's gonna help in increasing your buttocks as well. So now that I'm done mixing it thoroughly well, this is my empty container. This container, I'm gonna turn every mixed ingredient inside. Then this container could be stored in the fridge for the next 2 weeks without anything because they are all natural ingredients. It's not gonna spoil, rather it's gonna help and work super good for you. This is gonna help to increase your bust. This is gonna help to increase your buttocks as well. So what I'll be doing now is I'm gonna be turning it inside this container, then I'll serve it, use it as my normal cream, which will be stored in the fridge. But before serving it, let me show you how to apply this natural butt enhancer. Okay, this is how to apply it. What you need is just look at part of my skin. This is how to apply it circularly, in a circular form. So I'm gonna show you how to apply it more and more in my video as well, so you get to see how to apply this butt enhancer. This gonna help to increase your butt. This gonna help to increase your bust as well as your breasts, and this gonna help to firm part of your skin that has been that is almost sagged. Okay, this homemade cream is very good. When I say it's good, wow, imagine how I'm feeling cool, I'm feeling refreshed in this part of my skin that I'm applying this for natural ingredients. So this gonna work a whole lot. As I said, you need to try this over and over again so you gonna see the difference in no distant time. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch my video, as I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. And as well, share this video with your friends out there on how to increase their bust line and how to increase their buttocks in just 2 weeks. Thank you so much for stopping by. Love you guys all. Bye bye.